y'all, I'm Beverly Thomas, the Senior Operations Manager here at Amber Hotel Company. For today's Amber Tip, let's chat about the importance of updating your property information during the marketing period for your hotel. So let's say you decided to take the plunge and sell your property. As brokers, it's our job to keep your property marketed in the most effective way possible. From leveraging our databases of possible buyers, to zhuzhing up your property photos, to utilizing third-party sites to reach an even wider audience, we're always looking for ways to get the most eyes on your property to give us the best chances of finding a buyer at or close to your price. For this reason, it's super important to keep us updated on what is happening with your property during the marketing period. Any little update is a chance to re-engage interested parties who may not have been convinced the first time, or find new parties. Did you renovate some rooms? Excellent. Let's take some new photos, get those uploaded, and add it to the property listing. Brand new kitchenettes including stovetop, refrigerator, sink, and microwave. Did you update a closed restaurant or banquet space? Opportunity for additional income with fully updated, ready-to-lease restaurant. This goes for your revenue numbers too. Any update is helpful. And yes, even if your property is down. Buyers will often ask us for a property's numbers as a first point of contact. Having up-to-date information gives us the best opportunity to engage with these tentative buyers. Even if the numbers don't look great, they probably tell a story as to why. The revenues dipped last month due to having to close a handful of rooms for renovation. They are set to reopen soon though. Or maybe the property is now competing with a new construction in the area and there is opportunity to recapture that market share by doing X, Y, or Z thing. Or maybe the property is closed seasonally during X months and the revenue may benefit from opening during them instead. It sounds a lot better to prospective buyers than we just don't have those numbers, I'm sorry. We can always do our best to market without numbers and we have ways of doing that. But if you have them, we can almost always find a way to use them. Up to date helps keep the listing up to snuff. That does it for today's Amber Tip. We'll see you next time.